Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a quick recipe. 3 ingredient Bisquick Biscuits. It has Bisquick, Sprite, sour cream, and butter. And what you want to do, you want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. In a medium bowl, you want to stir together your Bisquick, your Sprite, and your sour cream until it is combined. You want to sprinkle a little Bisquick on the counter and add the dough to the counter. Then you want to knead a little using your hands. Pat the dough out to about a ½ inch. You can add additional Bisquick if needed to form a very soft dough that is just holding together. You want to pour the melted butter into the cast iron skillet or any baking dish you have. Then you want to place them in the pan of butter and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see in my video, they were a little bit sticky and I just dropped them into the pan and they turned out perfect. So you don't have to turn it out and knead it if you don't want to, but you can add more Bisquick to make them a little bit more firmer. They're just going to be a little thicker than what the recipe calls for, which the recipe is 2 cups of biscuits, a ½ cup of Sprite, a ½ cup of sour cream, and a ¼ cup of butter. So try it. You might like it. They turned out nice and it's quick and easy. These are my go-to biscuits, so my family loves them and they're quick and easy. So thank you for watching Baby We Eat, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.